In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you a video creator and editor, a website that you can create and edit your videos completely for free, and it's one of the best AI tools that I have used recently. With artificial intelligence, you can use just transcripted text to edit your video. You don't have to go through the timeline editing and all that suffering within other software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro or thereabout. This website enables you to do everything within one platform. Okay, so you just need to upload the video, and it's going to help to take out the bad takes and to even remove the unwanted areas. Okay, if you have repetitions within your video, the artificial intelligence is going to fish out those repetitions and it's going to help you to eliminate the bad takes. So all you need to do to access this website, because you need to download this application, the extension of it, all you need is just to come to your browser and you can search for Glink. Okay, Glink, just like spelled just like so, and it's going to bring you to this website, Glink AI. This is this first search, so you just click on it to open. So you can see creator, get your time back. It means the AI can do most of the things for you, and AI will cut out all the silences and bad takes for you, so you can focus on other aspects of your YouTube channel. So this is very interesting, because you can see within a particular take, you can see there are a series of multiple silences. These can automatically be eliminated, and if you have all you need to do is just upload a raw video, and it's going to just automatically identify those bad takes and silences within your clip, and it's going to showcase those to you. You just need to review and edit accordingly. If there are places you still don't want to take out, you can still enable it to continue, and then you can just export. And the very best part of it is that you can export in different formats, be it Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro, whichever video editing platform you're working with. You can easily link it up and you can edit through that platform as well. All you need is just to come over. It's going to identify what kind of operating system you're using, and it's going to give you the download for that particular operating system. In my own case, I'm using Mac operating system, so that's why it has given me the download for Mac. So you just go ahead, click on download. The installation is very straightforward. It's just click through, just like the way you usually install things on Apple operating system or Mac operating system. And once you're done installing, you can still come to the launch pad. You can see it over here. This is the extension, or this is the application, Glink. Once you click on this Glink, so once you're here, you need to sign in. Okay, if you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account by just coming here. So in my own case, I'm going to use one of my Gmail accounts to just sign in. All right, so you can connect to your YouTube channel as well if you're interested. You can just easily connect it, and so it becomes very easy for you to navigate around. So these are some very basic questions they are going to ask you. Which of the following best describes you? This helps us customize your Glink for you. So are you a business owner, or a content creator, or a video editor, or any other one? You can specify. So me, I'm a content creator. I just select what kind of videos do you produce. So you can say talking head, or vlog, or documentary, or gaming, or product review, or thereabout. So let's say I just taking walkthrough, and now this is the first project. So you can you have to drag and drop the video clip that you want to edit. So for example, in my own case, I can drag and drop it over here, and you can see it's just been drag and drop, but then it said it has sent me a link to verify on my email. So you have to go to the email and verify this link. Okay, just to verify the account, and we can just click to verify it just by mere clicking, and it's just going to verify our account. You can see the account has been verified, so you can come back to Glink. Now the next thing is you have to cancel this, and you have to close it, okay, and open again. So you can come to Launchpad and open Glink again, and then you can upload that particular footage that you have. So in my own case, it's located here. All right, Glink. And then we can just select this and say open, and it's going to import it just like so. You can see it's just been imported, and we've specified that we want it to take out the silences and bad takes as well. So you can just see, go ahead and click on continue to just continue, and you can see it is preparing the file now. So after its preparation, you can just review whatever information you want to add. You can add whatever information you want to reduce or remove, or you can take out from the video and just export it. So let's give some seconds to finish the analyzing and the transcribing, so we can continue once it's done. Alright, so right now it has finished the transcribing. You can see the personal branding transcript has just been generated. You can see everything in detail. So you can just go through, you can follow through and see for yourself. You can play it, you will see the preview in cases, and you can see the timeline, you can see the speed, and you can see you can skip the cuts if you're interested, or you can enable the cuts and it's going to show the cuts. Right now I don't have any cut, any silences. Okay, for now I don't have too much silences, and I enable it to show the cuts. Okay, and you can skip the cuts if you're interested. And so this is the editor, and you can check out other files if you're interested to check out all the files that you have. And this one is the AI YouTube title generator. You can connect it with the YouTube if you're interested, but then you can just check around, and as you move around any section of the transcript that you don't like, you can read through. Any section that you don't want, you can just select, and with the backspace you can just delete it, and you can see it's been graded, which means this section has been deleted. Okay, so any section you grade out, it's going to be deleted from the main video. So you're free to just go ahead and edit your video content accordingly. Like now, you can just keep editing, just listening to the different parts. Okay, so whatever you want, you can just do it. You can just highlight, and you can select any section of it and just do the backspace to cut that section. So once you're done, you review the document, you review the transcription, and you're certain with what you see here. Let's say we rename the project as personal branding. Okay, so once you're done, you can undo anything from here, and you can export directly by coming to export. Like you can see over here, you can export to Final Cut Pro software if you have it open. If you use Final Cut Pro for your editing, you can export to that and continue with your editings. And you can export to FCP Multicam also. Okay, Final Cut Pro Multicam or DaVinci Resolve, anyone Multicam if you're using a Multicam version. And then you can have the Adobe Premiere Pro. You can export in Adobe Premiere Pro directly also if you are using it as your main editor. Or you can export the audio section of it only, or the video section of it only, or you can go ahead and export the subtitles. This transcription, you can go ahead and export it in .srt format alone. Okay, so for my own case, I'm just going to export the video. Okay, and probably you are going to look at the video. Let's say for clarity of the video, I'm going to remove this hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm going to delete it. So in the main video, you are not going to hear hello guys and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to delete this section. So you can see I've removed it. Today I can enable this. Okay, so I can uncut this. Okay, so today's video is about personal branding. So but hello guys and welcome to my channel, you are not going to hear it in the main take. All right, because in the main video, you can see in the main one after the export, you're not going to hear hello guys and welcome to my channel, just to prove to you that the editing is working. So I come to export, I can come to video MP4 and you specify the name just like so. I specify the location. I want to save it in the same folder link. Okay, so you can just go ahead and save it and give it some seconds while it finished the exporting process. Now you can see even from the timeline that this place is great, which means it's been deleted. This place has been deleted. This place has been deleted. So all of them are not going to be included at the exporting stage once the final export is presented. Alright, so you can see that it's now a success that the video has been exported. So you can just go ahead and give it a try to just listen to it. This is it. Let's hear the preview. Like you see, hello and welcome to my channel has been eliminated. So it just started with today's video is about personal branding. So let's hear one more time from the beginning.
Today's video is about personal branding.
You can see perfectly it's eliminated all that. And if you listen to the video till the end, it eliminated all the places that we've highlighted as highlighted and deleted from the Link software. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit about how to use the Link software to edit our videos. Feel free to give it a try, to explain, to try it on your own to see how you can enable AI to ease your work for you in the editing process. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.